Hello students, I am sure you must have seen and used all these electronic gadgets for charging your mobile phones, your laptops, etc. But have you ever wondered what is there inside these gadgets? Today we are going to learn about the heart of these gadgets called as rectifier, and let us go into little more details of rectifier circuits. Our electronic gadgets like laptop, mobile, digital cameras, Walkmans, so on use DC power supply for their functioning. But at our houses, workplaces, we have only AC mains available and it cannot be directly given to these gadgets. Hence, we need some circuit which can take AC input and produce DC output. This is what a rectifier does. The definition goes like this. Rectifier is an electronic circuit which converts an alternating current, that is AC, into a direct current, that is DC. Let us have a look at this basic circuit. The main components of a basic rectifier are transformer and a semiconductor diode. A transformer's job here in this circuit is to step down the AC input voltage, which is about 220 volt AC, to a lower value of around 12 volt. And as you know, the diode is a semiconductor device which conducts whenever it is forward biased and it cuts off in reverse biased condition. Now let us see how does it work. During positive half of input cycle, the diode gets forward biased and it conducts. So there is an output voltage developed across a load. During negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased and it acts as an open circuit, so no current flows through the load and no voltage across it. In this way, the rectifier circuit converts the alternating current into a direct current, and since it reproduces only one half of input AC cycle, it is known as half wave rectifier. There are two more categories of rectifiers, namely full wave rectifier with center tapped transformer and full wave rectifier in bridge configuration called as bridge rectifier. The output of the rectifiers is passed through something called as filter circuit, and filter circuit produces almost a proper DC signal which can be used for your appliances. This is all about the working of basic rectifier. And dear students, next time if you get a damaged mobile charger, you please try to open it and explore its parts. Thank you.